so today we're working on our lateral step over. Similar to the frontal step over, this is a very simple movement. So our goal here is not so much to push intensity, but to build awareness and focus on the actual movement that we're going through. So we'll find an object, whether it's a water bottle, a wet wipes canister, or something there that we can work on stepping over. If you don't have any object available, go ahead and imagine there's something there that you do not want to knock over. So we're going to stand next to our box. We're going to lift up and tap. We're going to drop down with our heel here and step back. Step over, step back. Step over, step back. Again, while we're doing this motion, make sure to pay attention to how you're moving through and back over the object here, focusing on maintaining your balance over your entire foot and keeping engaged in the core and overall in the body. If you feel like you're stepping over this and you're losing your balance, slow it down, take your time, and pay attention to the entire movement. And that is our lateral step over.